Hey, what's up you guys, it's Little Scarface 609 here, and welcome to my 2020 budget setup tour. Now, back in 2017, I made a budget setup video, but throughout the years, a lot of things have changed, and I did upgrade a couple stuff, so I just wanted to show you guys. Now, most of the stuff I already had from my last video, but like I said, I upgraded a few things. Now, when I say budget, it doesn't mean necessarily cheap. I mean, you can somewhat call it cheap because some of the stuff is like super cheap. But budget means I have a certain budget in place. Today I'm going to be showing you what my PC specs are, what my desk is, and every other peripheral that I have. Now this setup includes PC and console gaming, and I'm going to show you guys how I switch between the two whenever I want to film a video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to start out with is the PC. This is pretty much what's powering my entire setup, so I just think it'd be better if I just started with the most important thing of the setup and then tell you the peripherals. So this is my custom PC that I built this Christmas. I got some computer parts for Christmas. If you don't feel like listening to me talk about the specs, I'm just going to leave all the specs somewhere here on the screen so you know what I'm running. But if you want me to talk about it, here it is. This is the NZXT 510 case. It's a fantastic case. It's small, it's lightweight. The whole tempered glass thing here is pretty nice. It's running a Ryzen 5 2600X with a GTX 1660 no TI edition by Gigabyte. Everything in here is pretty much stock cooling, stock fans, the top one and the bottom. I could use some like extra fans, but I'm kind of broke right now. And these are LED lights that I got from Amazon as well. You could change these to whatever color you want, because without them, it's like completely dark. So that I wanted to spice it up a bit. Got a portable hard drive for my backups for my video files. Got 16 gigabytes of Corsair DDR4 RAM. I believe this is a Corsair power supply. I'm not too sure. I'll see it later. And it has a 2 terabyte regular hard drive and a 500 gigabyte Samsung 850 EVO SSD. Peripheral time. Alright, first things first, here is my chair. This is an S-Racer Homel gaming chair that I got from Amazon. It was pretty cheap. You get what you pay for. It's alright. It's not super crazy. It does like lean back all the way. Got the 2 pillow cushions here. Can raise and decline. The armrests don't move, they're just static. I paid about $100 for this, and what you get out of it, I mean, it's not too bad. You really get what you pay for. It's not a DX racer by any means, but it's comfortable for me and it works out. And it matches my color scheme too. The good old desk. I got this desk from IKEA. This is the Linmon 78-inch Alex, well, Linmon and Alex combination thing. It's around 200 bucks, and for what you're getting, this is a fantastic desk. It gets a lot bigger than I thought. Like, my other desk was, like, up to here, and then it would, like, stop right here. That was my old desk. Now I have all this room to put my extra consoles on, which is fantastic, because I am a major console gamer as well. Alright, PC peripherals now. I'm rocking a pair of Lenovo 19.5-inch or 20-inch monitors. I had these in my other setup video. They fit me fine. They're up to 75 hertz. 1080p. I don't really game at 4K, so I don't really need a 4K monitor. This is completely fine for me. And I've seen people say that these are a little too small. They're fine for me. I sit close to the monitor anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Y'all like my background? It's cool, right? Keyboard is a Corsair K55. I love this keyboard and I love the software that comes with it. Mouse is really cheap, but I love it. It has a lot of RGB. This is the M-Dragon, or the Red Dragon M711, I think it is. Yeah, the Cobra M711 gaming mouse. For what it is, I paid like $15 for this. This is a fantastic mouse. I don't really do super competitive PC gaming, but it works out for me. Now what's sitting on it is an RGB mouse pad from SteelSeries. It's an RGB QCK Prism Cloth XXL edition, and it's super huge. Just one for like a little mouse, and then there's a big one with RGB. I love it. Speakers, I'm rocking a simple, super simple pair of speakers. I got the Insignia ones from Best Buy. These were like 10 bucks, 15 bucks probably. Most of my audio comes out from my headphones, which are an Astro A40 TR edition. These headphones are fantastic. I've had these since like 2016, I want to say, when Black Ops 3 first came out. I love these. But yeah, I don't really use anything on my speakers unless I absolutely have to, because I mostly have my headphones on. I got a pair of Astro TR mix amp Pros or whatever they're called. I got one for PlayStation 4 and one for Xbox One. I don't know why they just don't have one for both, probably because the digital outputs are a little different, so I had to get one. This one was actually used on Amazon for 40 bucks, and it works fine. I had no issues with it. What I'm using to record my face is the Logitech C920 webcam. I love this thing. It hasn't given me any problems. It's pretty much the go-to for every streamer. If they don't want to use an Elgato Cam Link with a DSLR camera, that's the wave. That's the wave. Microphone. I am running a newer boom arm. This was super cheap on Amazon as well, with a AKG Perception 120 microphone. I had a pop filter on here. Let me see where it is. It's right here. But every time I attach it, this whole thing like sinks down. So this pop filter is a little heavy for the newer boom arm, unfortunately. So I'll just have this little Afro microphone thing that's sitting on it, and it works completely fine for me. I don't think they make this microphone anymore, but a comparable one would probably be a Audio-Technica AT2020. It is an XLR mic. I have this hooked up to a USB MicMate interface, which is like a super simple looking thing. It's not a Red Scarlet or anything. It's literally just a simple, tiny interface. And it's running down to my super clean cable management. I got all my cables connected to a J-channel raceway and connected straight to the wall. All I know is it's going to be annoying to get off the wall because the adhesive is super strong. So that's going to be fun to take off. And where I put everything is right over here, so nobody can see it. Works for me. Lamp. Target. With a hard white bulb. It's super bright, but it gets the job done. I don't look directly at the shit. I just, you know, I move it around to my needs. Consoles, I got the PS4 Pro Spider-Man edition, the 1TB one with a 2TB hard drive. Simple controller here for the PS4, and 4 different controllers. Nintendo Switch sitting right here. I actually just got this in March, right before the quarantine started, so I scooped it up just in time, so now they're sold out everywhere. And an OG Xbox One. This is the same Xbox One I've had since 2014 when it first came out. This is the first one I've had, and I love it. Now this little thing, I put my 11 Pro Max on because I have the Elgato Stream Deck application on my iPhone, the mobile version. I don't have the actual Stream Deck, but it works fine for me. I just set it up there, and I can control my entire stream with my phone. Works for me. I love how much drawer space this has too. This is not cheap by any means. IKEA quality is usually pretty sturdy. Oh yeah, the LED lights. I got these from Amazon. They're from a company called Govee. They're completely Bluetooth and wireless enabled. So basically I can change the color of them on the app that I have, and I can, you know, design it to my needs. Let me show you. Bam. I had to change it from the app because I can't show you how the app looks, but yeah, look at that. Rainbow effects, bro. Rainbows. All right, let me put it back to normal. Now, here is the real kicker. So basically, I use this for console gaming and PC gaming. So when I want to switch between the two, I have a little trick. So if I'm playing PC games, I'm usually using this screen when I'm using PC games, and when I'm on my console, I switch to this one. But to avoid taking the cable out each time to record something else, I have something called an HDMI Splitter. So basically all I have to do is press a button and it changes to the output I want. So right now it's on number 2, which is the PC portion of it. All I gotta do is switch to number 1, and they switch, and bam, check that out. Woo! All I gotta do is just press that and I'm all set. Everything is all ready to go. That's how I do things. Got these side panelings from Amazon. I got them like a 12-pack. So I got a 12-pack and then another 12-pack to equal 24. And I just hung them on the wall and it works fine for me. My entire setup is vibes. Got plenty of legroom under here. And this just works. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much my entire setup. It's not much, but it's honest work. I don't have anything too crazy. Like I said, I don't game in 4K. I don't need anything super crazy expensive. It's fine for me. I like it a lot, and I hope you do too. So yeah, guys, this was my setup. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I had making this setup. It was really fun to do. Yeah, you don't really need anything super crazy expensive to start streaming or doing YouTube. I mean, I've been slacking on my videos a lot. I've been slacking on my streaming a lot. But for those of you who want to get into the game and want to put 100% into it, you don't need anything super crazy right now. Just wait. Make do with what you have, because when I started YouTube, I was using a $300 laptop with this built-in webcam, and that's it. And I was using my iPhone as the microphone. That's what I was using. Do what makes you happy. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to slap a like on it. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next episode of whatever I make. Peace out.